Donald Trump really has some nerve after Hillary Clinton brought out both Jay-Z and Beyonce to her latest Ohio rally over the weekend. The reality star slammed the power couple for the words they use in their lyrics. If this ain't the pot calling the kettle a misogynist, but before I tell y'all how I feel about it, let me just tell you what he said to a crowd in Saratoga, Florida after the rally was a success. Delusional Donald said, "Isn't it amazing that when Jay-Z and Beyonce use the filthy language they use in the songs, using words that if I ever said those words, it would be the reinstitution of the electric chair, right? Right? It's true. They use these words and then she comes on and hugs them like everything is right." Wow, I need a moment to process how ironically stupid this entire statement is. Donald Trump, the man who has called Mexican immigrants rapists and drug dealers, Group B blacks as he calls us, as poor thugs who get shot in our inner cities every day, and bragged about grabbing women by the You should be the one getting the violent repercussions you just said. B&J's lyrics are mostly examples of what they went through, and they empower people who are going through the same experiences to make their own dreams come true. You, Donald Trump, on the other hand, have made inflammatory statements that have divided this country more than anyone in the last decade. So have several seats and just be quiet. And guys, please head to the polls right now. I can't take 4 more minutes, much less 4 more years of this man on TV. For more election coverage, make sure you guys are staying tuned to BET.com and let us know how you feel about this story on Twitter using the hashtag BETBreaks. I'm Gia Peppers, and I'll see you next time.